I'm not gonna lie to you, I love pasta, and I'm not too sure if it's because I'm Italian and it's just in my genetics or something. I just love it. But unfortunately, the traditional pasta dish doesn't have that much protein. And as a plant-based athlete myself, I kinda need a decent amount of protein to support my health goals. In other terms, to keep up with my gains. So I have come up with a recipe that has 21 grams of protein for this whole pasta sauce, which is amazing. That way, I can support my health goals and enjoy the meal. So let me show you it. First, we're gonna grab the silken tofu, and then our plant-based milk, and then our half of a cup of nutritional yeast. This one's great. I picked this one off of the PlantX website itself. Makes that cheesy flavor absolutely delicious. Then a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. There we go. And then I have oregano and what was this one again? This one was, let me think for a second. Oh my gosh, I can't think of it. I found it. Basil. Why couldn't I think of that? Okay, add the basil in. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. And now we're gonna blend that all together. Now let's cook your choice of your favorite pasta. Today I'm choosing some gnocchi. While the pasta is cooking, I like to chop up any type of vegetable. Today I chose the lovely mushroom. So let's chop these guys up and let's throw them in the pasta sauce. Before we add the pasta to the sauce, I'm gonna put the sauce on the stove for a little bit, heat it up, and add the mushrooms in it, then we'll add the pasta in. Totally optional, but give it a little taste, and if you think it needs a little bit more of a kick, you can add some salt and pepper. I definitely suggest it. Now let's add the pasta back in. Little suggestion is I probably would use something like fettuccine or spaghetti noodles next time. But other than that, here is this high protein, delicious pasta sauce. I'll see you next time.